The Canadian Printable Electronics Industry Association held its second annual symposium this spring at Sheridan College in Oakville. Drawing an impressive and varied representation from all segments of the printed electronics ecosystem, the event featured an impressive agenda while showcasing the convergence of R&D, industry expertise, commercial effort, and government activity. EP&T Magazine took the opportunity to speak with a few participants at the conference.
So my name is Amanda Costco. I'm a journalist focused on the intersection of fashion and technology, and also the founder of Electric Runway, a future fashion event series and platform for covering and discovering fashion tech. I think what we're seeing is a lot of wrist-worn devices when it comes to wearable technology, and I think everybody at the conference today will agree with me that the future of fashion is actually technology embedded right into the textiles. I think the importance of participating in a conference like this is the cross-collaboration that you get between different industries.
Orbis Medical Technologies, we're focused on making medical wearables. And our medical wearables are currently targeted at helping people manage chronic diseases. Right now, where we are, because we operate in such a highly regulatory market, is we're working with the regulatory agencies in the various jurisdictions that we're looking at getting our product into in order to fully realize the benefit of the product. Right now we're running trials and again doing that in conjunction with or feedback from the regulatory agencies and looking at getting our product under the current coding that we have under the FDA and Industry Canada or Health Canada to people who are looking at being early adopters of the technology. So again, early stages for us, but still things are looking fantastic for us. For myself personally, my job is building the technology, and conferences like this really help show me or expose to me what the bleeding edge of technology is, what's coming down the pipe, and that can be things that we incorporate into our next generation products, looking at how we can evolve the product, how we can evolve the platform, and just get a sense of who is doing what in both academia and industry, and actually help us build those partnerships and make those contacts. So on a number of different levels, these kind of events are incredibly useful.
In relation to smart packaging, we believe that the market or the consumer is ready for adoption at this point in time. We have social media and different types of technologies in the mobile space that are just running through our entire lives and which are really a major shift towards how we deal with things. And so, we feel that it's a natural extension that if we can take a physical product in a package and somehow connect it into that digital realm, we could add more functionality to do what we want to do, which is protect and provide a product. The Canadian Printed Electronics Symposium offers us an interesting way of looking at things. The first day generally is spent looking at academics and some of the foundation type research that's been going on, so we can get an idea of what's happening in 5 to 10 years from now. But the second day with industrial partners discussing the actual market verticals really makes a big difference in terms of us understanding, how market adoption might come along and things of that nature.
So with the technologies available now, it's amazing how quickly you see change and progress and opportunity developing. With the advances in the semiconductor world and with the materials available to companies like Memtronic, you can now address opportunities within the textiles market, the automotive industry, pharmaceutical industry, across a broad range of platforms for both very high volume as well as more modest volume requirements with high reliability. And we're very excited about this because Memtronic has the capacity to do high volume with reliability, cost effectively out of Canada rather than Asia. When you're at a conference like this, you have a range of advantages. One is the technical updates that you receive from the presentations. You have an opportunity to network with people that could be customers of yours as well as suppliers. So it's really a very, very effective way to reach a lot of people that are very relevant in a condensed space of time.